Let's see if you can answer this quite tough GCSE maths question. So this says that shape A is a regular triangle. So we've got this regular triangle here. So regular triangle essentially just means that the angles are going to be 60, 60, and 60. And then shape B is a regular octagon. So we can work out those sides there. But also it says that we've got shape P as a polygon and they're just smushed together. And we just got to work out how many sides does polygon P have. But we can see we've only got part of the equation there. We've only got part of the system. So we just have to work it out. And we've got to show our working out. So I'm going to start by doing this. So I'm going to extend this line here. Okay, so I'm going to calculate this angle because this is what's called the external angle. So the external angle goes like this. It goes 360 divided by the number of sides. So 360 divided by n, so divided by the 8. So that is going to give us 45 degrees. So essentially what we've done to our system now is we've said that this is 45 degrees. But notice that this is now on a straight line. So angles on a straight line add up to 180. Okay, so what we're now going to do is we're going to say, let's do the 180 minus the 45 degrees. And that's going to get us 135. So then this angle here is 135 degrees. So let's just drop that in there. Okay, so if all of these angles are 135 degrees, what we can now say is that this angle is 135. But then we've also got this angle, which we know to be 60. So if we just add these together, so let's say we've got the 135 plus the 60 degrees, that gives us 195. But then what we can do is we can calculate, let's do this in a different color. Let's work out the pink angle, because now you can see we've got angles around a point. So what we can do is say 360, take away 195. So that is going to give us 165. So let's just add that to our system. So let's just see what this looks like now. So this angle here is 165. So let's just draw this here. So what we're saying is if this is angle P, we're saying that this is 165. But remember, we can now extend this. Obviously, it's not drawn to scale, but we can work out this is the exterior angle, isn't it? So because that's the exterior angle, we can now take this away from 180. So let's now do that. So let's do the 180 minus 165. So that's now going to get us 15 degrees. So the exterior angle is now 115 degrees. But remember, we started with that equation, didn't we? So if the exterior is 15, we can now say 15 is equal to 360 divided by n. If we were to swap these, which we can do in algebra, we swap these two around, we can now say 360 divided by the 15, and that's going to get us 24. So this shape, this polygon P, is a 24-sided shape. Hope you found it useful. Make sure you like and subscribe for more.